Hey, hi, welcome back to a new video. In previous video, you have learned how to install an ADDS server or role on a server 2022 and then promote the server as a domain controller. In this video, we are going to learn how to domain join a machine. So if you have watched my previous video, we had a Proxmox server. In the Proxmox server, we have another subnet which is 10.10.17.1/24. And there we created DC1 as a domain controller. And now we do have a Windows 11 machine that I have also created, and it's here. And in order to join this machine to a domain controller, we have to make sure that the machine is on the same subnet. And I can go to command prompt and run as administrator. Yes. And then I can type ipconfig. You can see here, this is on the same subnet or the same network where my domain controller is. So if my domain controller, if I go here, you can see that my domain controller is running on 10.10.17.4 and my machine is on the same net subnet, and which is 10.10.17.41, right? So you have to make sure that your machine and the machine you're trying to join to a forest or a domain, it's on the same network. Once you have made sure that they are on the same network, you can go to properties of the machine. So you can go to your File Explorer, right click on this PC, and you can go to properties. And you can rename this PC, and if you want, you can also join this machine to a domain or workplace. Another way of doing is that you type systemdm.cpl and you click on change here. Now you can see here, this machine is now part of workbook, and I can join this machine to a domain. So before we do that, I just want to name this machine how it is, like Win 11-10, sorry, 01, and the domain where I'm trying to join this is learncloud.guru, and click OK. So it is not able to find my domain controller. Let me go back here. And it's 10.41. I'll go back here and verify my network adapter setting and cpl. Okay, looks good to me. I'm not sure why it's not working. Oh, now I get it. The reason why it's not working because my domain name is cloudguru.local. So cloudguru.local, yeah. So you need to supply the correct name what you have supplied during the creation of your forest. So I have supplied cloud.guru. Learncloud.guru is actually my FQ domain, which I'm not using at the moment. So here I will supply my admin password. My oh, that's strange. I don't know why it's not working. Let me lock this PC and try to sign in again. Lock. Yeah, that works. So try again here. I'll try my NetBIOS name and then and let's see. Yeah, see that worked. So basically, I was not adding my FQDN. So make sure that you add your FQDN. Click OK, OK, and close. The machine will restart now. And once your machine is restarted, you can log into this machine with your admin account, or you can create your own account as well. So if you're watching till here, this is how you add a machine to a domain, or you join the machine to a domain. So let's see, the machine is restarting. We'll verify this. Click on other users. So yeah, you can see it now. It is actually popping up our FQDN name, right? Similarly, let me try to sign in with kudo- with the password. So you can see now I was able to log into this machine with my domain controller admin ID and the password. Just to remember, we need to always make sure that we add the FQDN or the NetBIOS name before we sign in, right? So yeah, if you're watching till here, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, concerns, feel free to drop it in the comment box below. I'll be more than happy to look into it and answer it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.